I'll guide you through how to contact Uverse TV support directly through AT&T's official customer service channels without wasting time searching for the right number. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. To get support, start with the Instant Self-Service Hub. Start at att.com/support/u-verse-tv to access instant solutions for common problems. Browse the help topics or explore support videos to learn how to program your Uverse TV remote or fix equipment. You can also use the search field near the bottom, powered by AI, to get specific help. To securely check your bill, set up autopay, or make a payment, navigate to the Bill and Payment section. If you need to connect to a human, click the Contact Us button to access options for live chat or calling. Choose Chat with a Rep to speak with a certified Uverse TV specialist for fast resolutions. Alternatively, call the Uverse TV support specialist at 800-288-2020 for immediate help with Uverse TV outages, technical problems, or account changes. That is 800-288-2020. This support phone number is available every day from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. CT. For disability resources, call 866-241-6568 for boys or 866-241-6567 for TTY to speak with a specialized team. Remember, these specialized lines have limited weekday and Saturday hours. Avoid third-party scams by using only AT&T's authorized Uverse contact methods outlined here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.